Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am at Sun Temple of Modhera, which is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. It is a Hindu temple dedicated to the solar deity Surya, located at Modhera village of Mehsana district, Gujarat, India. It is situated on the bank of the river Pushpavati. It was built after 1026 to 27 CE during the reign of Bhima I of the Chaulukya dynasty. No worship is offered now and is protected monument maintained by Archaeological Survey of India. The temple complex has three components: Güdhamandapa, the shrine hall; Sabhamandapa, the assembly hall; and Kunda, the reservoir. The halls have intricately carved exterior and pillars. There are Ramayana and Mahabharata carved on the temple's pillars. The reservoir had steps to reach the bottom and numerous small shrines. 12 sun gods present on the temple, which indicate that there are 12 months in a year. The temple is built in Gurjara architectural style, consists of the main temple shrines. This east-facing temple is built of bright yellow sandstone. There is a Kunda which is known as Ram Kunda, which had 108 temples on it. There is a museum present over there because some sculptures are broken down because of the attacks on that. So you should visit that museum once. Hi friends, like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel.